Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. This time we are unboxing an Agelocer watch, and they're currently available on Kickstarter, so I will leave a link in the description. This is their Moonphase variant or Moonphase model, so we'll open it and see how it looks in person, because a lot of people have been writing about this watch because it looks amazing on photos, but we'll see it in person. And as usual, this is just the unboxing and first impressions, and I will be doing a detailed review once I spend some time with the watch, with macro shots and everything. And considering how this thing looks on photos, macro shots are going to reveal whether or not it's as beautiful as the photos would suggest. So let's open the package and see how it looks. Okay, this is just... It's a double packaging. And quite a large box. Ugh. Oh wow, this looks like a sealed box. Look, you have this symbol like you have to rip it, but you don't. And this is one of the biggest boxes I have seen so far. Wow, this is huge. Okay, so that's another box within a box. So let's open that one, move this one away. You even get a little bag, sorry. Then you have this outer sleeve. This is really well packaged. This couldn't get damaged no matter how it travels. And as you can see, I like this. The sleeve reveals the moon. So pretty cool. So let's open this sleeve. Inside there's a wooden box, and I'm slowly running out of space for putting these things down. Open. Ah, so you just slide it. Let's check out the box first. Looks pretty cool. So let's slide this away. Inside we have the booklet with the instruction manual. Another one. And inside the wooden box is a leather box again. Wow. And this box, is it the final one? Probably. So let's open it. And finally, after like 5 minutes, we get to the watch itself. We have the warranty, we have a little cloth for cleaning it. Inside is like this fake, I don't know if it's not like leather, it's more like, I don't know how to call it. It's very plush. Okay, so let's slide it out of the box and move this away and there, and here's the watch. Comes with a deploying buckle. It comes on a leather strap, which is nice here but pretty stiff here, so it needs to be worn in. Let's remove the protective sticker and check out the dial, which is the main star of the show. And look at it. Pretty cool. Now the dial is supposedly made out of some kind of stone, and I'll put it somewhere in the text because I can't remember it. And so this is like the imitation of a night sky, and it does look pretty cool. Look at it shimmer as you move it around, and you have the moon disc right here. It is an automatic. They claim it's an in-house movement. Some suggest that it's a Hanzhou derived movement, but it does look very nice. Now they guarantee plus minus 15 seconds a day, although they say that they regulate these to plus minus 6 seconds a day, something that I will also test by the time I do the review. It comes with these quick release pins, and they're bent pins, so pretty cool. The case itself looks very nice. It's very premium. The watch is 40 millimeters diameter, 47 lug to lug, and just 11 millimeters thick, so a pretty nice size. Since this is a dress watch, as usual, I would prefer a smaller watch at 37 or 38, but for most people this is gonna be excellent. Now on their webpage they claim that these hands and markers are platinum, coated, but I don't know if that's true, but they do look very nice. And so let's wind the movement to get it going. You just have the minutes, the hours, and the moon phase. They claim it's a real moon phase, something that I will also check by the time I'm doing the review, because real moon phase will do one full revolution for every 29.5 days, while some movements, especially ones from China, usually just replace the moon phase. I mean, they put the moon phase disc on the date disc, so you have 31, which creates a 2.5 day difference every month. If you're in it for the looks, you really don't care, but if something claims to be a real moon phase, you want it to be a real moon phase. So just let's just quickly rotate it to see how many. As you can see, this is the, let's say, the first position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So in my opinion, this is not a true moon phase. It's just a date disc because as you can see, it took 31 tries to get back to this position. So sadly, it's not a moon phase, but like I said, if you're in it for the looks, it's okay. If you're not, if you really want a true moon phase, this is not something you would look at. But the moon itself is pretty amazing. Now, sadly, on these shots, when I'm doing these unboxing, I'm doing it with one lens, and from this distance, you can't really see a lot of details. But when I do the full review, I will be doing macro shots, and I believe this watch is really gonna shine, pun intended, with the macro shots. Look at it. It really does look amazing. We'll see the finishing and everything in macro shots, but so far, it looks pretty impressive. Anyways, I will leave the link to their Kickstarter page if you want to check it out. And that's about it when it comes to this unboxing. I do have to put it on my wrist, but to do so, we'll just have to remove these stickers. And this does look impressive. I'm not gonna tie that buckle because it seems complicated. I'll just place it on my wrist like this. And also this strap is pretty stiff, so it's gonna look weird anyways. Let's try to squeeze it a bit. Okay, so let's zoom out as far as I can. And this is the watch on my 6.7 inch wrist. Now this does appear a bit larger, but that's because of the angle of the recording. It doesn't really look that big on my wrist as this shot shows, but it is on the border of being too big. I prefer smaller watches, so when it comes to watches like these where you have the all dial design, I do prefer a smaller watch, but for most people this is gonna be okay. It does look beautiful, but as you can see, when you have silver markers on a dark background, they tend to disappear at certain angles. But as long as you catch at least some glimpse of light, they do shine. It is a watch that you buy for the looks because it really does look like, you know, those high horology pieces. But the lack of a true moon phase complication really is a shame. I will be testing it one more time in case I messed something up, but to me, I believe this is just a date disc that's been replaced by a gliding moon. It does look very cool, but it's not a true moon phase. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and also, like I said, stay tuned for the full review. I'll see you in the next one.